Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the euro yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So, on the monthly, I still think it's extremely clear this is a 1-2, and we're still in that wave 3. Eventually, it is going to have to make a 4 and a 5, and we are approaching a Fibonacci level. Maybe it will make the wave 4 here, then the wave 5, or maybe it'll just keep on pushing up. I much prefer to just let the market tell me when it's over, because if you know how to follow structure, you definitely will know when this trend is over. Going down to the weekly time frame, we are approaching a Fibonacci level right around the 175.5 area is definitely, I think, going to be an area of resistance to look out for. Going down to the weekly time frame, to me, it definitely looks like a wave 1. It definitely looks like a wave 2. It looks like we're in a wave 3. We are approaching those important fib levels. I was just showing you on the weekly time frame, but even because of that, I still would primarily be looking for logs. I think it's going to have to make a wave 4 and a wave 5 just to finish off this trend. So we do have CPI news coming out today, which is for the US dollar, but it definitely will affect the yen pairs also. So, I mean, the trend is definitely up. I mean, this is kind of an important concept. The trend is up on the weekly, the trend is up on the monthly, the trend is up on the daily, the trend is up on the 4 hour. There is no reason at all to go down to the shorter time frames and think that you should be looking for shorts. I would expect to see some resistance around the 175.5 area, and then if it goes up there, it goes down and breaks structure, then yeah, then I would look for shorts. But we do not have a break of structure, so I am not looking for any shorts yet. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, we do have a little bit of a consolidation right here. It does kind of look like it could possibly push down. If it does push down, that's honestly really good news for me, because at the end of pullbacks is where I will look to go long again. It really doesn't even have to pull back right now, and it definitely looks like a wave 1, a wave 2, and it looks like we're in a wave 3. Until we get a very significant break of structure, which for me would be preferably seen on the 4 hour or daily time frame, to the downside, I am definitely only looking for buys, and I'm only looking to buy at the end of three-way pullbacks. We've had some very nice entries over the last few weeks, and really the last few months and last few years, since this is a 4 year uptrend that we're looking at right now. I definitely don't have any desire to identify the top of a 4 year uptrend. I would much prefer to just continue to trade with the trend until the trend is over. Which, who knows, this trend could be turned into a 5 year or a 6 year uptrend. So the trend is year fun, and I'm definitely still looking for longs in an uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.